are live, baby. 798 downtown the Boulevard. We are pulling stuff out of stuff. Look at this. She's gonna rip it out of her skin. We're gonna do this live on camera. There's Shot Girl. Hey, Heather. Hey. Look, Greg's over there. Hey. Look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it. Get it. This is not. If you got a young child watching this, we advise that you cover their face up. She's gonna get it. I offer to do it with my teeth. Come on, girl. We're recording. We're recording. Rip it out. Rip it out, girl. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. You don't see shit like this every day, but we are coming with a website where you can see this shit every day. Oh yeah. Oh, she's having a little trouble. She's having trouble. Little turn. Little twist. Hold on. It's like Pop Goes the Weasel. It's like Pop Goes the Weasel. Pop the weasel, baby. Don't look at me. Look at the camera. Pop that weasel. Pop that weasel. Anyways, while she's popping the weasel, we got new additions to the shop. We got this dude over here with his thumb backwards because our head artist draws thumbs backwards because it's like something he lives by. And that's it. You know, and then over here, we are starting some new artwork that, you know, I'm doing, you know, because, you know, this is what I do. And then back over here, notice the thumb's crooked, and then we're back to popping the weasel. But girl, we're a minute 30. Will you pop the weasel? Pop that weasel. Pop that weasel, girl. There it is. Yeah. Y'all want to see this a little closer? It's getting red, aggravated. She's gonna get it out of there. I told her, look, what I